So we are discussing about coal and petroleum. Yesterday I am talking about when we are heating the coal in the test tube, what will happen. Now that answer is very important. I am going to write the answer. The diagram for this answer you copy from the textbook. So now you write that answer. Yesterday I explained for you. Again I will explain now. But the answer is very important. What is the question? Conduct an experiment. Conduct an experiment to show that when we heat high quality coal, a gas evolves which can be burnt. This is the question. Now answer for this one. First aim, what we are going to prove. So now first see here. Aim and the materials required. Next I will write the procedure. Why? Because it won't be sufficient here. So conduct an experiment to show that when we heat high quality coal, a gas evolves which can be burnt. What is the aim? To show that when we heat high quality coal, a gas evolves which can burn. What are the materials required? 2 boiling tubes, rubber cork, iron stand, delivery tube, jet tube, Bunsen burner. Once again see once, 2 boiling tubes, rubber cork, iron stand, delivery tube, jet tube and Bunsen burner. Now the procedure we are going to write.
Start.
So now we are going with the procedure what is the given. So now see here, the procedure has not yet completed. What we are going to do, see here. Take a spoon of powder coal, okay, into a hard boiling test tube. We are having two test tubes now. In the first test tube, we have to keep the coal, which is in black in color, and fix it to a stand. Close the test tube with a rubber cork and connect it to another boiling tube, the second boiling tube, which is partially filled with water. In the first test tube we kept a coal, in the second test tube we kept a water, and two test tubes are covered with rubber corks and fixed to another stand with the help of U-shaped delivery tube. Arrange a jet tube to the cork of second boiling tube. For both we have to arrange the cork. Then heat the boiling tube containing coal strongly with the help of a Bunsen burner. Now I started heating the coal. Now when I started heating the coal, what will happen? We shall see now. Okay. So see here the pointer. From here it is important. When we start boiling the coal, what is happening? We may notice that brownish black vapors evolved in the first boiling tube. First boiling tube, what is present? Coal is present. In the second boiling tube, what is present? Water is present. Now in the first boiling tube, near the first boiling tube, under that we kept Bunsen burner. When it is boiled, the coal burns, and what will happen? It changes to brownish black in color, evolved in the first boiling tube. These vapors are passed through water in the second boiling tube. Colorless gas bubbles evolves from the water, and if we burn the gas that is evolving through the jet tube, we can witness a bright flame at the nozzle. What will happen? A bright flame. What is happening? This brownish color mixes with the water, and colorless gas bubbles evolves from the water. At that moment, what will happen? If we burn the gas that is evolving through the jet tube, we can witness a bright flame at the nozzle. There we kept a jet tube, no? From there we can see. This shows when we heat high quality coal, a gas evolves which can burn. This is experiment. This is 8 marks answer. Okay, for you, if the paper is for 50 marks, it is a essay question, 4 marks answer. The diagram you see from the textbook and draw and answer. This is the answer. You have to draw the diagram and explain about this one. This is one of the lab activity what we will do. Got the point now? Next, here in the textbook, some petroleum products are given. You just see here, what are the petroleum products given here? Petroleum are used in preparation of various articles as substituents for materials like wood and metals which are limited. They are also used to manufacture several new substances that cannot be obtained from wood, soil and metals. Then here a table was given. See all of you in table 6 in your textbook. In agriculture sector, what are the products we are getting from petroleum? Plastic tubes, baskets, storing box, cultivation implements and fertilizers. Once again, plastic tubes, baskets, storing boxes, cultivation implementation, fertilizers. Industrial sector, car, motorboats, communication devices, construction materials, paper industry, belt and straps and tires. Then domestic and other sectors, medical equipments, apparels like clothes, bedding, socks, furniture, paints, washing liquids, fiber, cosmetic, medicines, polishing liquids, etc. are given. Got the point here? What are the things are there? So with this, today topic was completed. Tomorrow I am going to start about natural gas and the petrochemicals. What are natural gases and petrochemicals? We will discuss tomorrow. Thank you.